You've loved our Pan Pacific video in Singapore so much, it's been the highest watched video on our channel to date. So we thought we'd give you even more content by showing you rooms we've never shown before and do a full review of the hotel, including things that have changed over the last 12 months. We're going to show you all of the amenities, as well as my favourite club lounge in Singapore, the 360-degree club lounge, and we'll do a comparison of some of the most popular suites, the Skyline Suite and the Premier Suite, so you can decide which one is worth the splurge. So let's get to it. The Pan Pacific Singapore is one of Marina Bay's most luxurious and iconic 5-star hotels. It's well known for its sleek architecture and signature atrium-style design. The hotel has over 700 rooms and suites across 37 floors, many of which offer panoramic views of Marina Bay and the Singapore Flyer, and you could argue it's got some of the best views in Singapore. One of the new additions to the hotel is the VIP check-in lounge, a relaxing check-in area with complimentary water and fruit for room types of club and higher. As we had a suite, we got to check in here too. We love the central location. It's in Marina Bay, meaning it is walking distance to Sunset City Shopping Mall, which is one of the largest in Singapore. It's only a couple of minutes walk, and it's 10 minutes away from Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay. First up, let's explore the outdoor pool. It's beautifully designed with cabanas and plenty of lounge seating, surrounded by lush greenery that really makes you forget you're in the middle of a city. And there's even a kids' pool for family-friendly fun. The last time we were here in December, there was also outdoor children games and a candy floss and popcorn machine. I was very disappointed to find out it was no longer available, as I was really looking forward to my complimentary stick of candy floss. There is, however, the family jungle, which is like a children's play area room. Next is the fitness centre. It's open 24/7 and is fully equipped with cardio machines, weights and even a yoga space. The hotel has some award-winning restaurants, from the Edge restaurant, which is a buffet serving seafood, Asian and Western favourites, to the Japanese restaurant located in a Japanese garden, along with carp fish, so make sure you check that out. There's also a Cantonese restaurant, which is a local favourite, serving dim sum and soups. Another really cool feature of this hotel is the glass elevators. Make sure you give them a ride, as you get to see full city skyline views, and it also makes you feel like you're in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So we're now going to show you my favourite part of the hotel. If you're staying in a suite or a club room, you will get to enjoy the Pacific Club Lounge on the 38th floor. It's open from 7 AM to 10 PM each day, and all of the food is inclusive free of charge, as well as tea, coffees and soft drinks. It's one of the best hotel lounges in Singapore, offering gourmet champagne breakfast served from 7 AM to 10:30 AM. You'll find fresh and pressed juices, as well as a self-serve buffet, which I'm going to give you a tour of now. Don't miss the pastries because they were freshly baked and crispy. As well as the option of freshly made a la carte options. We made sure we took advantage of this by having a 2-course breakfast each morning. Next up is afternoon tea. We absolutely love this. It was served from 3 till 5 each day. All of the tea is the luxury TWG brand. There's a large selection of coffees, as well as fresh meats, sandwiches, range of cakes. So let's have a look. And what makes this afternoon tea unique is the hot selection of food. And you can't have afternoon tea without a scone with clotted cream and jam. As we were vegetarian, the chef made a special sandwich and chips for us, which was delicious. And the evening cocktails and canapés are served from 6 till 8 PM. There's a large selection of cocktails, beers, wines and mocktails, including the famous Singapore Sling. And the food selection is the highlight. We didn't need to go out for dinner as the food was so vast. The dishes changed each day, making it great for a longer stay. This paneer curry was absolutely stunning, so make sure you grab it with some naan bread if it's available when you're there. All of the food I'm going to show you now was absolutely delicious. And unlike other buffets, there were regular fresh items being brought out by the chefs. We really enjoyed the antipasti section, and my favourite was the cheese board. And to top it all off, the lounge offers 360-degree views all across stunning Singapore skyline and Marina Bay sands. So make sure you grab a seat in different locations when you enter the lounge. Another perk of this 5-star hotel is the hospitality room, and not many people know about this, and it really made our stay. So we used it when we landed at 7 AM and our room wasn't available. They allow you to use a hospitality room for an hour to shower and get changed into fresh clothes, and you can even use it after checkout. So if you have a late evening flight and want to get changed and freshen up before the flight, you just need to reserve a slot upon checkout. Next, we're going to head on up and have a look at the different suite types. So we're going to start with the Premier Suite, which is on the 34th floor in room 3421. Both of the suites are on the large size. This one is around 72 square feet. And when you first enter into the room, on the left, you've got a separate toilet area, which is all newly refreshed and renovated. And this is great if you're hosting in the living space, so people don't have to traipse through your bedroom to go to the bathroom. So it's a decent sized dining space, seating for up to 4 people, and there was a complimentary fruit platter on the table included. Within the living space, it was a really decent size. The sofa was really comfy, seating for probably 4 to 5 people, and there was a large TV opposite the living area. Now, this tea caddy was one of my favourites because it was gorgeous. You had your own kettle, espresso machine, range of different tea and coffee options, still in sparkling water. And then inside, you could even make yourself a pot of tea using the teapot and have some cup and saucers, which was a really nice touch. And on the right hand side, you'll find the mini fridge with all of the drinks complimentary, inclusive of the room. So the bedroom feels more secluded because you can shut the door when you get in there. There is a large king-size bed and also a large TV opposite the beds. There's also these footstools for you to sit on at the end of the bed should you wish, and there is gorgeous city views. All of the blinds are automatic, so you would use the controls at the side of your bed to turn all the lights off and open the blinds. And we're going to give you a preview of what it was like doing this in the morning. And on the bedside table, there's USB and UK plug sockets. I loved the storage space and the dressing facilities in this room. So you've got enough space to put 2 suitcases there, 2 robes within your small wardrobe. You've also got a built-in safe, steamer and Dyson hair curler and hairdryer, which I've not seen in any other hotel. And I definitely used these slippers. They were so comfy and Pan Pacific branded, as well as the shoe shine kit. I loved having a separate dressing space with a stool, dressing table and large mirror. That was a real plus. However, the bathroom really steals the show because it was so gorgeous, modern and clean. There were 4 towels for 2 of you, which is brilliant. A large sink, mirror, and also a mirror of a light, and a drinking tap to fill up your bottles ready for bedtime. There was plenty of amenities to use throughout the room, and there was also some scales, which is a bit odd why you'd weigh yourself on holiday of all the food I've eaten. There is a separate soak-in bathtub and a Japanese toilet that says hello to you when you approach it, and you can really get relaxed in this bathtub because they provide Joe Loves bath salts. There's also a shelf on top of the bath to have that nice glass of wine. We loved the shower. There was a rainforest shower, but also this shower head that's built onto the wall is massage jets, so you can rotate and move them. And all of the products are Joe Loves, which is Joe Malone's brand, and they smelled gorgeous. We love this room and would love to have spent so much more time in it. However, we only booked it for one night because it was on the pricier side. Next, let's head over to the Skyline Suite, which is located on higher floors and offering some of the best views of Singapore. In our case, this was located next door because we were staying with friends and we needed to have a twin room. There are limited twin suites available, so if you require one of those, make sure you email the hotel directly. So we're showing you the suite 3424. When you first enter into the room, on the right hand side, there is a separate toilet bathroom area. You will find with this suite it's much more of a traditional decor. So just after that toilet, you've got a large mirror and storage space, maybe to store some of your suitcase. The dining area is this corner sofa with also your complimentary fruit plate with some scatter cushions. And there is a large sofa and chair, seating for 3 to 4 people with your TV opposite your living space. There's also a speaker where you can connect your phone up to listen to some music. So in the bedroom, there is a separate desk with office chair and your 2 twin beds. Opposite the twin beds, you've got a large TV screen. And on the bedside tables, you've got automated lights and your blinds and shears, and that's how you open your curtains to get the gorgeous city view. The room comes with an espresso machine with a selection of different teas and coffees, as well as your mugs and saucers. You've also got storage space for your suitcases, and in here is also your wardrobe space. Bedside table includes your still and sparkling water and also traditional plug sockets. So the bathroom is around the corner in a traditional marble bathroom. You've got a large soak-in bathtub. You've got your sink with all of your Joe Loves products. All of your amenities for the room are included in this drawer. And then next to that, you've got your drinking water tap. And then you've got a massage shower because you've got all the different water jets as well as your shower heads on the wall. And all of the Joe Love products are also included in there, and a separate toilet. You'll also find your wardrobe just outside of the bathroom, which has your robes, slippers. There's also some drawers and storage with hangers, as well as your safe and an iron and ironing board included. And in all of the rooms in the Pan Pacific in Singapore, in the evening, you can order cookies, muffins, and chamomile tea delivered straight to your room. So great 5-star service there. So how do the 2 suites compare? The Premier Suite gives you a lot of space and comfort at a more accessible rate. Great for couples or families. Our room was newly decorated and refurbished. We stayed in September and the room cost us £400 for the night. However, the Skyline Suite is considered an upgrade by the hotel. It's all about the view and offers a more traditional feel. There's even the option of having twin beds, which is great if you're staying with friends. This suite costs £30 more, costing us $430 for the night. Both prices include access to the club lounge with all the food and drink we've shown you today, As well as early check-in, we arrived at 11 a.m. and checked out at 1:30 p.m. These are subject to availability. Personally, we prefer the Premier Suite with the more modern decor. We love the tea caddy and the automatic curtains, opening up to a gorgeous view in the morning. Plus, it was cheaper, so a win-win. So there you have it. The Pan Pacific Singapore ticks all the boxes for luxury, comfort and service. The location is unbeatable and the amenities are incredible. And we loved that the staff truly do go above and beyond. Whether you're here for a staycation or a romantic getaway or simply a family-friendly trip, the Pan Pacific delivers that polished yet welcoming experience Singapore is known for. However, it is on a bit more of the pricier side. Drop us a comment to let us know if you've been to Singapore before and what you thought of it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up as it means a lot to our small channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on any other travelling top tips. We'll see you next time.